This is a lot of packs. Vending machine, stellar, journeys, surging. 25 of each. We're gonna rip here first, rip here, and then rip here. Yeah. Let's just get to it. Oh, there is. Nice. Dumb. There's an ace spec. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. There it is. Oh, look at that. How many we have? Ooh, this is one of the cooler art rares. Quick. Another fucking art rare, brother. Alright, now we're gonna start with our journeys. That is a cool one to pull, I will say. Spread out. Oh, another great duplicate. Oop. Pack, quick pack. Oh, there we go. There we go. Dang. I got faith in these two bad boys. Nice. We got another sheep. Got an ace spec. Oh, there we go. We did. I mean, look at all that. 3 sheeps is crazy. Whale, bird. It's funny. Actually, Stellar Crown, oddly enough, did the best, like by a mile.